Hey, I'm Jordan. This is Signs of Life. Are you ready to learn the way that I sign Wolves by Selena Gomez? Let's get started. If you haven't watched the song yet, check it out right there. Just click the I. This song is really great. It's catchy and repetitive, and the chorus is fast, so watch out for that. But it should be fine. Not too many words as far as vocab goes, so hopefully you can learn some more vocab words and easily learn this song. Alright, so the first couple verses say, "In your eyes there's a heavy blue, one to love and one to lose. Sweet divine, a heavy truth. Water or wine, don't make me choose." So these are pretty word for word for the most part, the signs that I chose. So we have in your eyes, pretty straightforward. And then rather than signing the literal heavy as in weight, which you can do, I signed more of an abstract or emotional heavy. Make sure you use your face for that to really get across the type of blue. Blue. This is the Queensland and New South Wales dialect. And then you have, as far as I know, the rest of Australia. I'm not there, so blue. Depending on where you are, you can sign that. In the video, I signed both of them real fast. Not sure if you caught that. So you can get it wherever you live. And then we have one eye. I point to my eye and then make a one over here. And then say, I love. And then point to the other eye and make a one over here. And show that here, I lose. So it's kind of separating the one you lose and the one you love. Then I say sweet, and then for divine you could be abstract and use a completely different sign. I just said like God. Powerful truth. Show on this side to show two options, water or water, depending on where you live. Or wine, with a W, wine. Don't make me choose. Show options and just pluck one. Choose. I want to feel the way we did that summer night. Drunk on a feeling, alone with the stars in the sky. And the signs I chose is I want, you brush downward. Feel, two bent middle fingers coming up from your belly or your belt line. Feel. Same, past summer, like hot, but with a flat hand and a little bit flowier. Summer, night. Full of a good feeling. You, me, and then you show that two people are together. And then I take this like not hand, the hand used for not or nah or no one, and I take it and I show no one or nothing kind of around the people. Then I say only, just a solo finger brushing on the palm, stars. And then I kind of look up as if the people were looking up. Now for the chorus. Let's take it slow so you can get it, and then you can speed it up. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves, to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alleys, saw the dark side of the moon. I've looked for love in every stranger, took too much to ease the anger, all for you, all for you. Now the signs, you got this. Past, I run, just like running. Through, just slice between your fingers. Through Then you make the ground, jungle, with a ASLJ, jungle. And that is really fast in my video, so just kind of hit it as many times as you can. Jungle. I run with, just kind of clasp your fingers, and I put it next to me, like they're next to me, with the wolves, also the sign for fox or muzzle. Then I sign travel, but it's compounds like travel to would be a better English translation because I show it moving. Travel to you. Then, past, I walk. Just make 2 legs and brush one of them. Walk. Dark paths. Saw the moon. Just kind of make the crescent shape with your fingers coming together. Dark back. Like you're saying that you saw the dark back of the moon, but you put the noun first and describe it after. I searched with bent claw type fingers by your eyes or coming from your eyes because it's like you're searching somewhere. Searched for love from every person. Kind of put the person away so it's not like a friend, it's kind of like you're going there. Every person. Too much hard to satisfy the anger. All for you, all for you. And I believe it's every other time the chorus comes around. The word run for running with the wolves is swapped out with crying with the wolves. So don't let that catch you by surprise. You can practice that, just switching it back and forth. And then we have the last couple lines. Your fingertips trace my skin to places I have never been. Blindly I follow. Break these walls down and come on in. Now the signs. Your fingertips, you just kind of tap all of them, and then you gesture on my skin, or so you make the fingertips like this, like they're the other person's, and you bring them to yourself and you mime out, trace my skin. Then you sign area. You can really do that wherever you want, because area is like this, but put it on your body somewhere. Area, past, I never touch. And this is the sign for touch, and so you can do it on that area, you can touch that area, you can touch wherever you made the area, and you can just touch your body, but use the middle finger bent. Touch, touch. Then we have blindly, I follow, just kind of like 2 people bent down, following. Walls, make these walls and bring your shoulders back and up and make this like, because you're signing walls. You break down, show them like collapsing and crumbling. You come on in, and this is a compound, so you don't need to sign you come. You can just kind of show it coming from that direction. You come on in, and make in not just into an abstract in, but into you, like as in, like coming in. Awesome work. Just play the video a couple more times, keep practicing. You got this. I hope you enjoyed learning more AUSLAN. Check out some more videos, and you'll keep improving.